So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change Google Meet phone number. So for that reason, let me just open up my Google Meet application. And then from here onto the right upper side, you will see this profile icon. You need to tap on the profile and then simply go with the manage your Google account. Now, once you have here, you need to go with the personal information and simply scroll down and you will see the phone number over here. So tap on the phone number, wait some time. Alright, then you need to remove this phone number first. So simply tap on the phone number and you will simply see this pencil icon, which is the edit phone number option. So tap on that. Now it is asking me to, alright, just hold on a second, guys. Alright, now you can update your phone number. Simply tap on the update phone number and you can update your phone number from now on. So simply just update your phone number, go with the next, and you will get a code into your phone number and simply paste the code right over here and you will done. So that's how you can simply change Google Meet phone number. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.